Good morning, students. Welcome to online classes of St.JOSEPH'S Academy. I am Akanksha, your computer teacher. In this video, we will continue our third chapter, that is more on MS Word. So let's start. In our previous video, we have discussed about how to select a text, how to edit the document, and how we can copy our text. Now we are going to discuss few more things in this video, and first of all we are going to discuss how to move our text. So for moving a text, first of all we should know what does it mean. Moving refers to shifting a text from one place to another. If you want to shift a text from one place to another, it means you are moving your text. Moving is done by cut and paste command. You have to go through cut and paste command for moving your text from one place to another. And for moving a text, you have to follow some steps. And the first step is select the text you want to move. First of all, obviously you have to select the text that you want to move. And after selecting, you just click the Home tab. Home tab is at the left side on the MS Word 2007 window. You just click on the Home tab, and when you click on the Home tab, you will find Cut option in the Clipboard group. You will find Cut option in the Clipboard group, and then you have to click on this Cut option. Now your fourth step is move the cursor to the place where you want to paste your text. When you click on the cut option, the text that you have selected that will be cut from that place. Now if you want to paste it on the new option, because you want to move your text, so you just place your cursor at the new place where you want to paste your text, and then you just click the paste option from the clipboard group. After selecting the new place, you just click on the paste option from the same group, that is clipboard group. Now we see how to format a document. So to format a document means we are going to make our text in a document attractive, and for making it attractive we need to do some changes. That, like, we want to arrange the text and we are going to add some colors, we want to change the style. That means we are formatting the document. So we have to change and arrange the text, which is known as formatting. That is known as formatting our document. And we can format our document using font group and paragraph group in the Home tab. Like clipboard group that we have find out in the Home tab, the two more groups we are having in the Home tab, that is font group and paragraph group, which is placed in the Home tab. And in these groups you will find so many things like bullets, numbering, justify, align text right, align center align, align text left. All these things you will find here in these groups. And like bold, if you want to bold your text, you just click on the bold, italic, underline, text highlighting color, font color, and so many things you will find in these groups. Now first of all, we are going to discuss how to make our text bold. So we have to follow few steps to make our text bold. So first step is select the text you want to make bold. So here this is the original text that I love my India. This is our original text. Now we are going to bold it. So first of all, we have selected this text. After that, click the home tab, and the third step is click this bold option B, where it is written B. This is the bold option. You just click on it from the clipboard group. The text become bold. See, this is the original text, and after bold it will look like this. Now we see how to make our text italic and underlined. So we have to follow few steps to make our text italic. First of all, we'll go for italic. So for that, you just select the text you want to make italic. First of all, you just select your text for which you want to make italic. Then again click on the home tab, and after clicking on the home tab, click on this option. This is the italic option where I is written in the italic form. This is italic option. Click this I option from the clipboard group. The text gets italic. See, after italic it will look like this. Okay, now we see the steps should be used to underline a text. If you want to underline our text, we have to follow these steps. First of all, again, you have to select the text that you want to underline. And after that, you just click on the home tab again. And then after this, you click on this option U, where you can see a line under this U. This is a underline option, and it is placed in the clipboard group. Now after clicking on this option, the text gets underlined. You can see after underline your text appears like this. It will look like this. Now we see how to change a font. Font is the look and the shape of the letters of the text, and there are many fonts available in MS Word. Now here are some steps that you have to use to change the font of the text. First of all, the step 1 is select the text you want to change. So you just select the text to change the font, and the second step is again you have to click on the home tab, and after clicking on the home tab, click the drop down list arrow like this. You will find this type of arrow in the home tab. You just click over here on the font button from the font group. This is the font button where you will see, and you just click on this arrow button, you will get a drop down list. Then the fourth step is choose the font type from the list and click it to apply. So many font lists, one font list will come in front of you, and you can choose any of the font type from that list, and after choosing you just click and it will apply over it. You can understand this through picture also, through this diagram also. First of all, you just select your text, and after selecting you click on this home tab, and after home tab you go through this drop down list which you will find after clicking on the arrow button, and you just select any like this. You will find this type of list when you click on the arrow button from the font list, you can choose any of the font from this list and just click over it. It will apply it on your selected text. Like we can change the font of our text, we can change the font size also. The font size refers to the size of letters or characters. You can change the size of your letters and the character which you have typed in MS Word. So you have to follow few steps for it. First of all, again you have to select the text to change the font size. To change the font size, you select the text for which you want to change it. And then step 2 is click the home tab. First of all, you just select the text, then after that you click on the home tab. After clicking on the arrow button, click the drop down list arrow on the font size button in the font group, and then you will find this type of list here on your screen, and you can choose any of the font size from the list and click it to apply. When you click, they see your text will look like this when you change the size of your font. Now we are going to see how to change the font color. So for that you have to follow few steps. So you can apply different colors to the text, and to color the text, follow the given steps. First step is select the text to change the font color. First of all, you have to go through the selection of the text, and after that click on the home tab. When you click on the home tab, you will find a drop down list arrow of the font color button. You will find the font color button when you click on the home tab. You just click on the drop down list in the font group that you will find in the font group. A color plate will appear in front of you, and your next step is choose the color you want from the palette and click it to apply. You can see from this diagram also, your first step is select the text, then after that selecting your text you just click on the home tab, and after that click font color drop down list that you will find here. You just click on the font color drop down list, and then you will find this type of color pattern, and you choose the color that you want. If you like, you have chosen the green color, now your font is look in green color. I hope you have understood all this. Thank you so much.